Incredible animals that really exist. The animal world is full of incredible creatures that look strange but are completely real. One amazing animal is the axolotl, also called the Mexican walking fish, which can grow back lost body parts. It lives in lakes and spends its whole life underwater, even though it has legs. Another surprising animal is the platypus, found in Australia, which lays eggs even though it is a mammal. It has a bill like a duck, a tail like a beaver, and feet like an otter. These animals remind us that nature is more creative than we imagine. In the deep ocean, there are many incredible animals that live in darkness. The anglerfish is famous for the light on its head, which it uses to attract prey. It has sharp teeth and a very large mouth compared to its body size. Another strange sea creature is the blobfish, which looks very unusual when taken out of the water. Deep-sea animals often look strange because they survive under extreme pressure and no sunlight. Even though they may look scary or funny, they are important for the balance of the ocean. These mysterious animals show how life can survive in extreme places. On land, there are also many animals that seem too strange to be true. The pangolin is a mammal covered with hard scales that protect it from predators. When it feels danger, it rolls into a tight ball and hides safely inside its armor. The okapi, from Africa, looks like a mix between a zebra and a giraffe, but it is related to the giraffe. Another amazing animal is the eye from Madagascar, which has long fingers to find insects in trees. These animals may look unusual, but they are well adapted to their environment. Each one has a special role in nature. In the insect world, there are incredible examples of survival and beauty. The leaf insect looks exactly like a green leaf, which helps it hide from predators. Stick insects look like branches and can stay very still for hours. The Goliath beetle is one of the largest insects in the world, and it can be as big as a human hand. Butterflies and moths also have incredible patterns that confuse enemies or attract mates. Insects may be small, but they show some of the most amazing adaptations in nature. The world of animals proves that life is full of surprises and wonders. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.